Well, I see what the problem is. One of the wires that goes to the fields, it's broke off. So we're going to have to pull this whole armature thing out of here and see if we can't fix that. Oh, howdy, this thing must be pressed in there. Oh, golly. Well, it came a little more, but it's this ring right here. There we go. I got that ring off. Well, I can't forget to put that back on there. Yeah, there we go. Just that wire there holding it. Okay. This is the one that I need to change. It's melted beyond recognition pretty much. Well, I went and got one of those. Now it's time to put this thing back together. The fun part, as they say. Just got to find a place where this thing will. I say, hot dog, I got one of them. Now I just got to do one more. Oh boy. I got to get that thing out of the way. Okay, this is going to have to... Alright, get all this stuff out of the way. Oh, here it is. Okay. Everything looks like it's out of the way. That's it. Okay. Now we're ready. We're just going to put 2 screws in it, fire it up, see what happens. Well, by golly, we got her together.